First State Kickboxing Championship arjar arpusan kelalong kabajab mad yaj be yaj renti nadu kasengi basdang hadu kasengi ban penkut. Hagani ke First State Kickboxing Championship arjar arpusan ya kanam lahduh lara da ka kenhun na East Khasi Hills District ka first runners up da ka bhoi District nang da ka second runners up pan layo berra da ka East Jaintia Hills District. Yakni kickboxing lawan penhap perdana da ufada kirofim hasha kum ukongsan bat Reverend PB Karbani kum usembut gongsan.
Bhoi District. Silver medals goes to Jaintia. Are you excited? Yes or no? Okay, now we will start first. Our Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for his generous contribution and helping our All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. With his help and contribution, our kickboxing championship is a very successful. And I take this opportunity to give our CM a big thanks one more time. And I want you all to give a big hand for our Chief Minister. He is not here, but I thank him, special thanks. And at this time, I have to mention a special thanks for our Honorable MLA Methodius Dikhar for his contribution to All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. Thank you so much, sir, Methodius Dikhar. God will bless you and bless your good work. And at this time, I request all of you, yes, he is not here with us, and I want you all to request to give a big hand for our MLA Methodius Dikhar for his generous contribution and helping our All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association, and it's very successful. And I give a thanks to our State Secretary of Bharat Scout and Guide to give us this place to organize this state level kickboxing championship, and we got here a place to stay also, and we cook here also, and for the everything that you have given us, I give a special thanks to Bharat Scout, all the Bharat Scout and Guide and all the members. Please give a big hand. And a special thanks to Karbi Guest House also for helping us. Karbi Guest House, all the officials and all the boys, students, we slept there. So I give a special thanks for the Karbi Guest House also. Please give a big hand. And I thank special thanks for all the principals, all the teachers, and all the parents, those who are here with us, and you help us a lot. And I give a special thanks to the Longkami Miss from Saint Teresa. They help us a lot from School Saint Teresa, along with headmistress and Tree Sang Longkami to help us for cooking, and the father of Amy Grace also for cooking, to all the students, those who are here with us, 2 days cooking, and for Bamaulong also helping us. Thank you so much for all of you. And I give a special thanks to all the students, all the coaches, all the team managers for participating in this first level kickboxing championship. And I want to tell you, you have seen here a poster, and a big poster of our Honorable Sport Minister Shakler Warjiri. But I am very sad to say that he is not here with us. He is not here with us, and I try to wait for his secretary or anyone to come today in this closing ceremony. But sadly, no one is coming to attend at this closing ceremony of All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. I am very sad to say this, but I hopefully next time, I hope that he will be here with us and he will be support us. And though he is not here, I give him a special thanks for whatever he has cooperated with us. Thank you so much, sir. Shakler Warjiri, if you are not here also. And if I forget to give a thanks to anyone, please take this a special thanks to everyone. And I give a special thanks to our Kamlesh Bora. Please give a big hand for him. Kamlesh Bora, he came long way from Assam to help us yesterday and today. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind helping us. And this championship, without you, it's impossible. So I call away from Guwahati. He is very fast to come and helping me. He is my old friend since long time back for so many years. Please give a big hand. And I give a special thanks to Putul Sanwal. Putul Sanwal and his team. He came yesterday from Guwahati. He is from Guwahati Police. So thank you so much, Putul, for helping us. And he helped us a lot, especially to arrange all the medals, the trophies and all. He is not here, but he is a very important person, Putul Sanwal. He is my friend for so many years. And I give a special thanks, not other than Master Chorus Marwin. He helped us a lot. Without him, this championship will be empty. Why I said? Because he bring us this ring, a new ring. So thank you so much, Master Chorus Marwin, for your generous, for your kind, you're helping us. Please give a big hand for Chorus Marwin, all of you. Chorus Marwin. God will bless you, sir, and your family too. Thank you so much for helping us. So at this time, I I request first our chief guest to our honorable guest for our students, the best students and hard work students. We have here two students. Miss Iba Hondares Khasi Hills, come forward. Award of Excellence for her hard work. She is the first degree black belt from West Khasi Hills. Please give a big hand. I request our chief guest to hand over this award. Please give a big hand for Miss Iba Hondares Khasi.
And I'm glad indeed to stand in front of you, especially at the closing ceremony of this competition. At this juncture, I express my hearty congratulations to the All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association, especially Bak Samvel Hasha, who has put his efforts, who has dedicated wholeheartedly to bring up this competition in a very successful manner. I express my heartfelt thanks to them for their cooperation and to bring this state level kickboxing this year, which is ever happened in our state. So let us put our hands together to express our thankfulness and congratulations to the association. Kindly give a big clap. Secondly, I would like to congratulate each one of you as the participants who have come to this venue to participate and to show your skills, your talents in the field of kickboxing. All the students have brought forward your skills and talents, and your hard work, your skill competition make this day a very successful one, a very colorful one. Congratulations to all the students, all the participants who came from far and near to this venue, to this place, to have this competition a very successful one. Indeed, this competition helped each one of us to grow in a good relationship with each other, and especially to build up our good characters and promote moral values. So I thank each one of you, and I would like to appreciate and encourage each one of you to go forward in this field so that you will be successful and you will build up a bright future in the coming years. And we hope that this first kickboxing in the state level will have every year. We encourage and appreciate the organizers to organize in the coming year so that the students can participate and they will feel happy, and especially they will grow in promoting their talents. Sang uya ulai nak benda ba ulai ulari la smart screen ni hagane kesni ulai ngi kejing kunjung do ulai ngi kabor kasor kejing kan kamet kabokoj bakhe bat minang edwai nang ba ngin sala ban lepha ban ngin sala ye thelang ha kene ke benda kuble sibun kuble sajarmu.
Shall I speak in Khasi? Yes, that all the students will understand what I will be see everything. Okay? Ye Ba Samuel, Katiam Jongpri ka association, Nam Prilati ban yo yang ban kren Hamir Muntag, dan Regi Ailat yang ban kren, kita sukuman akan kapor, ban yo ban kren Winkot yang Muslim. Pankran yang kena kupor. Pak Samuel, na kumway na pleng jibana yasnyaw kitang jawbi, bat ngawan ban witness sekanika first state level kickboxing championship 2025. Ika penkemen yang ban yoi bagi kena school idon kat ni ngam kemilanti. Further, idon dekat angin sa bapenya kiwai kiri orang ba akan diberan angin di team manager kinohikai di principal bat baru akan kibadan ngai kublai api baru akan kepul bat kumbal penpau di basangwel nyemla panyala penklanda ingu yo blai ubala ai yang ni kepor kabebet kabebiang penilai na kijing mensau baru lagi jimpang di sitom bat ni penpoi sekabokot tekapuram iya kani ngai mu yo blai Hagan kapor na penpau kajing so komen panakaliang gi kena school jongiru ngiwantang ar phogot banesim benta tang kibare ndai bahaya kum mangiyo i mene hangi hakari tikane kadai ka benta ka ba ai mensim yang i school hantam kibadon sino kandang ngayo i kibadon samolai teng kibadon sa East Jaintia Hills, sa Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, East Khasi Hills, patkunta terter ki siam benta syarham. Ikani kadai kawai kabenta kum ga ong mene hai father. Bagi kena ajoni kidan kata ka skill, ka capacity, pani siam benta hai noi benta kabangi ni penya. Andai kabasusi kalong Pabun sen yem don ki platform ban peni tementang iso tenan bai ba Samuel ling ba kaneka asosiasi jongin ilabu ya kani kebenta kum tagi kena jongi kila ban peni ya kasap kapong kabaki kidan dengan nam selam kadwai nakit bok kit wiang ya pikum ka Meghalaya Kickboxing Association Toblay undang ringkat bati kum kinong penian kum kinong yalam panang yalam yangi di school di badan apa kajela Meghalaya kanam kut tangkat ni handrai penang yalam kena jongi penang yalam kena ke state ke jongi ke badan ke sak ke talent pandai yesim mentah kum bapila yalam di kena kiba pioi bila peniat ingkar batri tengi kum ke school jual kat Pha Memorial Sinat Higher Secondary School bagi Pha ya ki kena hangi aga jing sisa ngim tak kemelanti ban point seto kan level andai lembaga jing tin lenti jong ki nong trai jong fi ba Samuel ni point second level One is mentas ka first Interstate Kickboxing Championship 2025. The Toblay unang kekri Pibaro kinong penya kinong association. Last but not the least, I have seen that many students, many fighters, they really take part emotionally, spiritually, and also I have seen the sport spirit are there. So may this sport spirit within you students will be greater and greater from now and for the future. We do hope that you are the champions. Whether you win or lose, you are the champions. And I do hope that all of you, one day, you will be the champion in any levels, national or maybe international level. May God bless you. Thank you. Thank you all of you. God bless you all. God bless Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. Thank you.
Move. No! What I space, good, what I space. Utilize knee. Utilize the knee. Switch. Switch. Yeah. Knee. Good. Same. Liver shot. Liver shot. Switch to the liver. Yeah. Knee. Good. You're winning. Good. Now chop the tree. Chop the tree. Chop the tree on the head. Chop the tree on the head. Chop down the tree. Chop down the tree. Yeah. Knee. Down.
The winner is red corner.
Upstairs. Upstairs. Yes. Move back. Leg kick. Body head.
Jaintia Hills, Khasi Hills. Straight. Bhoi district. Lapir Tatiang bronze medals. Batskem gold, Sambor Lang silver, Lapir Tatiang bronze medals.